Welcome to Schooling CBSE Class 7 Geography Chapter 10 Life in the Deserts. It's a desert. A desert is a large area of land, usually in a hot region where there is no water, rain, or trees or plants. Deserts are characterized by low rainfall, scanty vegetation, and extremely hot temperatures. Depending on the temperature, there can be hot deserts or cold deserts. The hot desert, Sahara. The Sahara Desert in Africa is the world's largest hot desert. It touches 11 countries and has got gravel plains and elevated plateaus with a bare rocky surface. The climate of Sahara is scorching hot and parched dry with temperature as high as 50 degrees Celsius. The nights are freezing cold with a temperature nearing 0 degrees. Can you see the vast stretch of Sahara Desert? It has been indicated for you in the map. The desert areas of the world are characterized by low rainfall, scanty vegetation, and extreme temperatures. Depending on the temperatures, there are hot deserts as well as cold deserts. Sahara is a hot desert covering a large part of North Africa, and Ladakh is a cold desert lying in the Great Himalayas on the eastern side of Jammu and Kashmir in India. Sahara is the world's largest desert. Almost all of the deserts are lying to the leeward side. That is, they won't be getting rain at all. Even if they get, that would be very scanty. There will be very harsh winds. Desert vegetation. Vegetation in the Sahara Desert includes cactus, date palms, and acacia. Despite its harsh climate, Sahara is inhabited by various groups of people. The main groups are Bedouins and Tuaregs. You can find very less vegetation that is growing in the deserts. The reason is because of the scanty rainfall. We can find some desert animals also, like camels, hyenas, jackals, foxes, scorpions, snakes, and lizards. These are the main animal species found here. They modify their skin in such a way that they are able to adapt to the desert conditions. Even the plants are trying to adapt for the desert climate. They try to turn their leaves into spiny structures. Very pokey leaves we can find so that it is not helping for transpiration. Oasis. The oasis in the Sahara and the Nile Valley in Egypt supports the settled population. The discovery of oil is constantly transforming this region. Other important minerals found here are iron, phosphorus, manganese, and uranium. More and more nomadic tribes are taking to city life. An oasis has been shown in the picture here for you to understand. We can find little water in the oasis, and along the sides we can find date trees. Climate of Sahara. The climate of the Sahara Desert is scorching hot and parched dry. The rainy season is very short. The day temperature may soar as high as 50 degrees Celsius, but nights may be freezing cold. The Sahara Desert touches 11 countries: Algeria, Chad, Egypt, Libya, Mali, Mauritania, Morocco, Niger, Sudan, Tunisia, and Western Sahara. The Sahara Desert is the vast stretches of sand. There are also gravel plains and elevated plantains with a bare rocky surface. People of Sahara. Various groups of people, such as the Bedouins and the Tuaregs, live in the Sahara Desert. These groups are a nomadic tribe and they rear goats, sheep, camels, and horses. They get milk and hides from these animals. Hides are skin of these animals. These nomadic tribes wear heavy robes to protect themselves from dust storms and hot winds. Oasis. People get water from the oasis in the Sahara Desert and the Nile Valley in Egypt. They grow crops like rice, wheat, barley, and beans. Rapid changes. The Sahara Desert is undergoing fast change due to the discovery of oil in Algeria, Libya, and Egypt. Other minerals found here are iron, phosphorus, manganese, and uranium. Trucks are now used in the salt trade. The nomadic herdsmen, with a change of time, are now migrating to cities for better job opportunities in oil and gas operations. Ladakh has poor vegetation because it is too cold here. There are scanty patches of grasses available. Several species of birds are available here, such as robins, redstarts, Tibetan snowcock, raven, and hoopoe. The animals of Ladakh are wild sheep, wild goats, yak, and some special kinds of dogs. Animals are reared as they provide milk, meat, and hides. Ladakh is a cold desert. It is lying in the Great Himalayas on the eastern side of Jammu and Kashmir. The altitude in Ladakh varies from 3000 meter in Kargil to more than 8000 meter in the Karakoram range. The area experiences freezing winds and burning hot sunlight. Because of the arid soil, the vegetation is very sparse here. Groves of willows and poplars are seen in the valleys. Ladakh is a cold desert. The Karakoram Range in the north and the Zanskar Mountains in the south enclose it. Several rivers flow through Ladakh. We can find several glaciers here, for example, the Gangotri Glacier. Climate of Ladakh. The climate of Ladakh is extremely cold and dry. The day temperatures in summer are just above 0 degree and the night temperatures are below minus 30 degrees Celsius. This desert receives very little rainfall. There is always a possibility for both frostbite and sunstroke. Population of Ladakh. The population consists of either Muslims or Buddhists. Some famous Buddhist monasteries are Hemis, Tikse, She, Lamayuru. People are busy cultivating barley, potatoes, peas, beans, and turnips during summer. They are engaged in festivities and ceremonies during winter. Tourism. Tourism is a major activity and attraction, and they are from abroad and within India, and people like to visit the Gompas. People of Ladakh have practiced to live in balance and harmony with nature. Pashmina wool of Ladakh is very famous. Leh and Kargil are the main towns in Ladakh. The hard-working women and tourism. The women of Ladakh are hard-working. They can manage indoor and outdoor activities skillfully. Leh is the capital of Ladakh. Ladakh is being modernized very quickly. People are very conscious here. Some important terms that we have to see in this chapter are desert. It refers to an arid area characterized by extremely high or low temperatures with poor vegetation. Oasis. It is an area in the desert where there is water and where plants grow. Shatush. It is a kind of wool obtained from chiru or the Tibetan antelope. Gangri. It is a glacier found in Ladakh. Tuaregs. These are nomads of the Sahara Desert. Bedouins. These are also nomads of the Sahara Desert. Kapachan. Ladakh is also known by this name. It means snowland. Warm up of the chapter. Deserts are characterized by low rainfall, scanty vegetation, and extreme temperatures. The Sahara Desert in Africa is the world's largest hot desert. Sahara covers a large part of North Africa. Ladakh is a cold desert lying in the Great Himalayas on the eastern side of Jammu and Kashmir in India. Pashmina wool of this region is very famous. Leh and Kargil are the main towns in Ladakh. The animals of Ladakh are wild goats, wild sheep, yak, and special kinds of dogs. The population consists of either Muslims or Buddhists. Ladakh is a famous tourist place. The tourists from within India and abroad like to visit the Gompas. We have come to the end of this chapter. I hope you would have understood about this chapter very well. For more videos on social science, sociology and economics, please watch Schooling channel on YouTube. Like, share, comment and subscribe Schooling. Thank you.